The Philippine Coast Guard on Thursday, June 18, commissioned into service one of its two new Airbus H145 light twin-engine helicopters. PCG Commandant Vice Admiral George Ursabia led the simple and private ceremony at the Coast Guard Aviation Force at the domestic airport complex. The new air assets, costing P685 million, will be used for search and rescue, medical evacuation, maritime patrol and maritime law enforcement. The H145 is a twin-engine helicopter equipped with high-frequency radios, emergency flotation gear, fast roping, cargo, sling, searchlight, and electro-optical systems. Because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the PCG said the newly commissioned helicopter will be used in transporting personal protective equipment sets and medical supplies in various cities and provinces across the country.